Hello and welcome to another 2 Minutes to the Novak. I have a quick one for you tonight. We have a new tool called the Country Name Normalizer. If you haven't activated it yet, you can click on Activate Tool. This will bring you to this page, and what we do is this is another one of our HTTP post tools. So let's assume that you are going to get, the country name is going to be in country. I already created some custom fields. We're going to put the ISO field name here in this custom field, and we're going to put the code in this field right here. Then we're going to copy this HTTP post URL, just like all our other tools. You just drop this in a campaign with the default contact ID post variable. And then when this fires off, it's going to read the country name from this field. It's going to run it through a fuzzy search that's pretty good. And it's going to put the ISO3166 country name in this custom field and the country code, the 2-digit custom code, in this field. Again, it's a fuzzy search. It does a pretty good job. It matches all of Infusionsoft's basic fields. I don't recommend that you put country here, so you're just fixing the country field, because if we don't have a match for it, it would blow away the data that's in here. This way, if somebody puts in an invalid country, there is no ISO 3166 match for it, so we don't want to erase the value in country. So go ahead and create another field. You can put it in country 2, whatever, and drop it there. Thanks, that's it.